Hey there, political enthusiasts. Today I'm diving into a dramatic moment that unfolded during the inauguration of Botswana's new president, Gideon Boko. Picture this. The crowd is buzzing with excitement, the atmosphere is electric, and then Zimbabwean President Emerson. Mnangagwa's name is announced. Instead of applause, he gets booed. Yeah, you heard me right. This isn't just any random booing. This moment is layered with regional tensions and political drama. Former Botswana President Ian Khama dropped a bombshell, accusing Mnangagwa of meddling in Botswana's elections by sending in fake voters. Now that's a serious charge. Mnangagwa's party, ZANU-PF, didn't take this lightly. They fired back, calling these allegations false and malicious. But the boos at the inauguration tell a different story. They spotlight the growing dissatisfaction with Mnangagwa's leadership. Zimbabwe has been grappling with economic woes and political unrest, and this public display of disapproval underscores those simmering issues. Now, let's talk about the man who stole the show at this event, Nelson Chamisa, Zimbabwe's leading opposition figure. Chamisa wasn't just a guest, he became the star. Botswana TV chose to interview him over Mnangagwa, a move that didn't go unnoticed. Chamisa used this platform to commend Botswana's smooth democratic process, a stark contrast to the turmoil in Zimbabwe. Chamisa's message was powerful. He talked about the importance of peaceful political transitions and unity. He praised President Boko's leadership style, which focuses on love and bridge building. This was more than just a diplomatic courtesy. It was a call for a new wave of leadership across Africa. Chamisa's vision for democracy is resonating, and his presence at the inauguration only amplified his growing political significance. But wait, there's more brewing back in Zimbabwe. 9 women who were accused of booing First Lady Auxilia Mnangagwa have been freed. These women, aged 19 to 49, were initially arrested for allegedly disrupting a charity event in Manicaland province. Their supposed crime, expressing their frustration at missing out on food and clothing handouts. The charges against them, disorderly conduct and unlawful, abusive and insulting behaviour, were dropped after the First Lady and the Police Commissioner General admitted that the response was an overreaction. This incident has sparked debates about freedom of expression and the suppression of dissent in Zimbabwe. So, there you have it. A snapshot of the political tensions and shifting dynamics in Zimbabwe. Mnangagwa's public booing in Botswana highlights the growing discontent with his leadership, while Chamisa's rising influence signals a potential shift in the political landscape. And the case of the freed women adds another layer to the ongoing conversation about democracy and human rights in Zimbabwe. What are your thoughts on these developments? Drop your comments below and don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates on the political scene. Until next time, stay informed and engaged.